Car seats are a requirement for children, but the damage they can cause to your vehicle upholstery over time is not. Luckily, there is a simple solution found in WeatherTech's Child Car Seat Protector. Let's take a closer look. Child Car Seat Protector is a thick, durable, anti-skid mat that sits underneath the car seat to act as a barrier, preserving your vehicle's upholstery. It features flaps at the front and sides that lend extra protection against spills and messes. Child Car Seat Protector is available in two options, with a back or without a back. The back piece option lends a bit of extra protection. Both options of Child Car Seat Protector come in 4 colors, so you can choose your preferred coverage area as well as a shade to match your vehicle interior. You can rest assured that this product is crash tested and approved to maintain the safety and integrity of the child car seat using the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. Child Car Seat Protector is proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured in America by WeatherTech.